Incredible morning. Cuda? Oh. Oh yeah. Company today. You guys just beat us to the thing there. We got John, imported all the way from Victoria, down the road. My baby, down to one of our little favorite places. We got great conditions. I'll get an offshore breeze, so should be good shape. Got one little barracuda already. Should be a fun day. So I'm working top water here. Just had a bite. I think I had the GoPro on after started getting bites. So nice flat morning. Go top water. I don't know what I got. A little bigger. Not that big, but it's bigger. Hey, baby. It's your lucky day, buddy. You gotta walk too far back to the cooler. It pulled hard right away. Wrapped around my legs in case it decides to push again. All right, what do we got? I don't know what it is. Another mackerel, but man, did that hit hard. No kidding, eh? Third one. Could have had a cooler full of them. Fun. Yeah, back in for a break. Cerveza and sandwich. Talk to the camera. Hi, baby. John sees us coming in, so he's gonna meet us at the boat tour. We're gonna pack up and go hit the mangrove side for the afternoon. Had lunch. Drop some stuff at the van and good to go. Yep. Oh, I forgot your deodorant there. And your comb. Isn't that your comb? There you go. Oh yeah, there's 3 bones out there. I think I couldn't, and there could have. There's shadows over there. 3 of them. Shit. They're in front of me. John for John. Finally saw the right fish. Finally got a bone on. Your turn, baby. Well, someone needs a little oil in this reel here. Wunderbar, eh? Nice little bone. Your turn, baby. Here you are, out enjoying the flats. As far as we can see. Incredible day out here. Gentle breeze coming up, so we're gonna tuck around the corner, but lots of action, lots of fish around.
I haven't caught one yet, but
She will.
John and Brent have.
2 for John, 1 bone for me. So I turn that off, put it on. John hooked up. Oh, we got bones all around us. Sandra's got bones in front of her. Got a bone. I want to be able to get a picture of this. I got bones in front of me, but I'm not ready to cast yet. Alright, so John's got his little bone here. Nice. We got our first fish. Alright. What do you got? I don't know. A little cuda, a little needle. Oh, a little, what do you got? Those little guys. Oh, just came over to see John here. Just let himself a smoke and caught himself a fish. All right. Oh, had a bite. Good little guys. Whatever they are. Little sharks. Oh, there's some bigger ones that spook the bones here. I guess kind of like that. Oh, look at little freaking piranhas. No, they're not piranhas. Little AJ. Or what is it? Like a little AJs.
Buddy, thank you. Off you go.
Job. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Hey, just got it. Yeah. Gonzo? I sound like you lost your fly. I heard a snap back here. Yeah. Oh, another snap. Maybe.
Line number 2.
Did they?
I think I've stepped on more fish this afternoon than I've got.
What was that? Must have been a bird. Bird? Bones? Coming towards us or going away? Yeah, I want you to catch him, babe. They're still around there. Bird. Oh yeah, yeah, I see him. If you see him getting close, give a little twitch. Okay, catch him. Come towards me. Hmm? Yeah, I see that. Yeah, they're bones. You're going back again. And a little bonefish on the way in. Seeing lots. Just a small one. Big scar on him.